sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Actually, my daughter passed 10th,
Okay.
and we have planned for JE in next career.
Okay.
So what we have to do? I
Okay,
want
fine.
actually information about your classes and that all.
Okay, very good, very good. So, welcome to you also. This is Sandipani Academy and myself, Mr. Bambure. Okay. So, definitely, first of all, I would like to congratulate that you have come to the right place. Okay. And has she passed out 10th or
Yes,
she
sir.
has just given
We
the
are
exam?
waiting for results, sir.
You're waiting for results. Okay. I would like to know how you were doing in your 10th. Which subject you were more interested into? Was that maths and physics or science you were more inclined towards?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how were you doing in your maths and all? It was good. Okay. Because if she is looking for JEE career, definitely these two subjects will
Yes,
have
sir.
more
Actually,
importance.
from childhood onwards, she is topper in maths.
Wonderful, wonderful, very good, very good. So definitely, this is. I would like to inform you about institute first. We started since 2015, and this was started by our director, no, Balraju sir. He himself was having 6th rank all India rank 6th in JEE.
Great.
Then he finished his chemical engineering from Warangal NIT. Okay. So under such superior guidance, your daughter will be learning. So definitely she will be having bright future as well. We have very good mentor system and all that will be guiding. First, before starting with actual course, we will be running kind of a bridge course, where she will be having a kind of a bridge between 10th and 11th. So whichever concepts she is not clear with, or those concepts which are more required in JEE and all, so she will be introduced to, and she will feel comfortable rather. Okay. And there are two other subjects like physics and chemistry also. So initially she will be inducted to those two subjects also, and the basic requirements will be then clarified, and she will have a faith and clarification about how she would like to go about. Okay. So that is how we'll be starting with.
Sir, actually, I am little curious to meet your director, sir, because you said na,
Yeah.
sir is topper.
Yeah, why
in
not?
6th rank.
Yes.
So I am little bit curious to meet your director, sir. Is
Yeah,
it possible?
sure. Yes. He is available, but I need to see whether he is busy with some meeting or something. I'll arrange for your interaction with him. I'll just
Sure,
give
I
me
will
some few minutes. I'll just pass on the message, and you will definitely have a opportunity to meet directors, right?
Good evening.
We are so happy to meet you, sir.
I too. So you have come here for JEE.
Yes, sir.
Right. What's your good name?
Saranya.
Sharanya. Just now your 10th exam got over.
Yes, sir.
How much you are expecting?
19.
19. That's a good score. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, madam. You can ask your questions.
Sir, actually, from childhood onwards, she showed keen interest in maths subject, sir.
Okay.
So we planned that to continue her studies in mathematics subject only, and she is showing interest in JEE. So we came this academy, sir. We heard lot about this academy,
Right.
and so many IITs prepare from this academy. So I want to join my daughter in your academy, sir. And before that, I have some doubts, sir.
Sure. You can clarify all your doubts here. You know, because when you take admission anywhere, because it's a matter of career, right? 2 years of very important studies now, and then she's going to make her entire life's career. So you have to have all your doubts clear. I'll be happy to clear your doubts. You can ask. And let me tell you first, as you mentioned, a lot of IITians are out of this place from Ahmednagar. So we are proud to say that we are the first institute in Ahmednagar who could create IITians from Ahmednagar itself.
Wow, great.
Before that, there were students who got into IIT from Nagar, but they went to Kota, they went to Mumbai, they went different places, and they went to IIT. Studying in Nagar and going to IIT is a first time in the history in Ahmednagar, which Sri Sandipani has created, and consistently from over a period of years, We are creating IITians every year, NITians, triple ITians, SRMians, VITians, MITians, so many ians.
Great, sir.
Yeah. So you can ask your doubts, whatever you have now. Please.
We heard a lot about your institute, sir.
Yes.
Before that, joining my daughter in your academy, I want to clarify my one doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
How much fees structure here and how you will take exams, Sunday tests, and all foundation courses, bridge courses,
Okay.
and it is depend on our daughter or actually you take practice also.
Okay.
What
He
we
asked
have.
so
I
many
have
doubts.
No idea about sir.
Yeah. You said one question, but you asked so many questions. Let me answer each and one of these questions like in a split manner, right?
Okay.
Like about the fees, we'll talk about in the last
Okay.
part, because when we purchase any product, we see what is the quality of the product first,
Okay.
right? क्वालिटी अच्छा है तो प्राइस कितना भी चलेगा, क्वालिटी ही खराब है तो सस्ता भी कोई काम का नहीं है, राइट? तो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द सर्विसेज फर्स्ट, है ना, राइट? The first thing is you talked about the examination pattern and the process, how to go ahead, how we will prepare your child for the JEE examination. You see, when we take admission now, right? Now the admission was going on in April. Now it's a March, admission is going on. In April, a bridge course starts.
Okay.
The bridge course basically a foundation course where we teach the basic concepts. Because most often what happens is that majority of the students who come after 10th standard, the basic fundamentals for JEE are not clear.
Okay.
They must be very good at their school subjects,
Okay.
but the fundamentals required for a competitive examination like JEE, that's generally they are not clear for many students. So our first responsibility we do is that we conduct a bridge course
Sir,
in which
that bridge course, what syllabus is there? Sir,
Correct.
8, 9, 10 they are repeated, sir?
no, we don't repeat 8, 9, 10, but something like it is based on 8, 9, 10 content,
Okay.
which connects the 11, 12 content. It's a bridge,
Okay.
like you know a bridge.
Yes, yes, yes.
Bridge connects the two places, right?
Okay.
Two banks. So it's a bridge course. The gap between the 8, 9, 10th and 11, 12 JEE. This gap content which is not in the school, we give the course, we create, that is called bridge course,
Okay.
which fills up the gap such that when they start the syllabus of 11th standard, it will be easy for them.
Okay.
Otherwise, because of this gap, after 10th when they come to the 11th standard anywhere, so students face a lot of difficulties understanding subject
Okay.
because many concepts are not yet
Not clear.
clear, right? So that is the bridge course. So we conduct in April, you know, in April May we conduct around for 45 days, and then we gave a short break of 10 days such that just now they have completed their 10th standard
10th
exams,
standard,
and then the bridge course, then 2 years of JEE will come up. So before that, a 10 days of break where they can get fresh up, go to some mama's home, chacha's
Yes,
home,
yes.
and as I see you are from Andhra Pradesh, they may go to Visakhapatnam. Where
Yes,
you are
sir.
from, basically?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam, I predicted rightly. So they may go to Visakhapatnam, enjoy some days over there in beach, right? Whatever. So after that we start in the June we start the 11th standard classes. So June 2023 the 11th will start, and September 2024 the complete 11th 12th board syllabus along with the JEE syllabus will be completed by September 2024.
Within 6 months, sir?
Not 6 months. It's more than 1 year. 2023 June
Okay.
to 2024
24. Okay, okay, okay.
September, right? Generally, most of the institutes in India, they cover the syllabus, they take till December 2024.
Okay.
But we cover 3 months before itself.
Okay.
The reason for that is we know that most of the kids, what happens after 11th standard, they forget the 11th.
Okay. Yes, sir. it
Right?
is true.
That's a nature, right? Human nature. We understand that. So understanding this basic fundamental principle of the student psychology, we cover it by September, and the next 3 months we go for the revision.
Okay.
Again we cover the entire 11, 12 syllabus
Babre.
in the next 3 months. Since already one time they have done up, so it will be easy for them to
Yes.
cover up. So there are 2 times we cover syllabus in this 2 years, not 1 time. Though we take only fees for 1 time.
They will prepare 99% here only.
Yeah. So here only preparation is done, right? And then by December things are done. 2 times your exams is over, and in January you have JEE Mains 1. First attempt for JEE Mains. In Jan you are prepared for, and before the exam, of course, you have All India Test Series
Okay.
kept before the examination. I'll talk about test later. And then after the JEE Mains one paper in Jan, and February they have the board examinations, right? Before the board exams, we conduct the subjective test, such that you can nicely give your board exams also and get good scores in board, right? For the practice, we give subjective tests also for the board examination, and by March 10th or so, your exams get over, you know, board exams are over,
board.
and then in April there is JEE Mains attempt number 2.
2.
Before the second attempt, again you have mock test series, the same exam like JEE Mains we conduct mock test, and what are topics you are not clear with. Because in test you analyze, right? So after test you analyze which topics you are not done with. So those topics will be covered by the teachers, and your doubts will be cleared, and you are ready again for JEE Mains 2.
2.
And after JEE Mains 2 in the April, then in the May comes after exactly 1 month, they keep JEE Advanced examination. That is for IITs, right? Then you are again prepared for JEE Advanced mock test series, and all these things will be going on. Your advanced exam is over in the May end. Now, even after JEE Advanced examination, we are not going to leave you.
Okay.
Oh my God! अगर हमको छोड़ेंगे नहीं, क्या करेंगे? पकड़े रखेंगे? Don't worry. Sandipani is the only institute which takes care of the children till they get admission in the college. We don't just prepare for the exam and leave it. After your exam is over, we wait for your results, and based on your JEE Mains and JEE Advanced result, which college to enter,
Okay.
how to fill the counseling forms, all these things are taken care here. Most often what happens in majority of the institutes, even Kota and Mumbai, many places, all big institutes, what they do, they take care only
After
till
exams they came.
once syllabus is over, they leave it.
Yes.
And the students come their home and they prepare, then they go for examination. Then nobody asks, they only ask the result. What is the result they put on the board? But Sandipani is not like that. So we are with you till the college admission, whatever is the process, because most parents don't know, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the process?
Even we also don't know, sir.
Yeah, most parents don't know it. What is the counseling process? Even students don't know how to fill the form. And even for that, you have to go for a counselors outside. And when you go for the counselors outside, again they charge you 30,000-40,000 rupees just for filling up the forms. They are the counselors charges out. Most people don't even know that, counselors. Those who know, they go, most maximum of them make a wrong thing, you know, wrong way of filling the form, and they miss the college after getting good scores. So don't worry. Here, beginning from today, as admission get over, till you enter into a college, your dream IIT or NIT, whatever, we are with you. That's the first step. That's a 2 years plan. Now talking about a daily schedule. Second point is daily schedule, how it happens. Now for the next year, I am very not sure ki exactly, because there are so many batches we have. For JEE, we have 6 batches next year. So timings will be like different, little bit here and there. But right now, whatever is going on, I'll tell you. You will get a basic idea about schedule. So right now, just which are going on for 12th standard, we starting at morning 8 o'clock. So 8 to 8:30, we have yoga and meditation for half an hour. Why it is required? Is it required or not?
Yes, sir.
You must have heard first time in some institute they conduct yoga meditation.
Yes.
In JEE Institute, right? The reason for that is we know how like today distractions are so much.
Pressure also so much.
Lot of
for students.
pressure, stress, and there is no time for students to take care of EQ
Yes.
and PQ, physical quotient also, right?
quotient.
There is no time for the body, no time for the emotions. We are only trying to develop the IQ.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You agree with it? Yeah. So we here in Sandipani, we focus on 4 things, not just IQ. We focus on PQ, EQ, IQ and SQ. That is the overall complete development of the child.
Okay.
What is PQ? PQ is physical quotient.
Physical question.
EQ is emotional quotient. IQ is
Intelligent.
intelligence quotient. SQ is spiritual quotient.
Okay.
Spiritual quotient.
Okay.
There are 4 Qs, right? Huh? So all these 4, when they are developed, a person is completely developed. So we take care of the overall development of the child. That is the speciality of Sri Sandipani Academy. Now the first session 8 to 8:30, this yoga meditation to develop their EQ and PQ, right? And then 8:30 onwards their classes starts for PCM. We have 1.5 hour for each lecture. So 8 to 10, then 10 to 10:10 there is a break, short break for washroom, for drinking water and all these things. Then again we have 1.5 hour lecture, then 10 minutes break, then again 1.5 hour lecture. So 3 lectures in a day, each of 1.5 hours.
Actually, this break system is also plus point for students.
Yeah, they need
10
little.
minutes, हाँ.
Otherwise, what happens back to back when the
हाँ.
lectures are there. अभी ये पूरा grasping हुआ नहीं, nothing has entered inside. They're trying to understand. Next teacher comes up.
Yes, sir.
So we have kept little breaks so that they can digest it. You know.
Yes, sir.
There is some relaxation, 10 minutes. So we have scientifically designed the whole schedule, not random. So at 1:20, the lecture gets over, and 1:20 to 1:50 is the lunch break for them, whatever box they have, get lunch box. Then 1:50 to 3 o'clock, we have a DPP solving session. That is
Notes.
MCQ solving.
Okay.
Our teachers prepare the sheets.
Okay.
What a chapter topic is going in the class. Based on that, they prepare a sheet, questions that student have to solve here itself.
Here it's.
Most often what they do, they say घर पे जाके solve. ये study material we have given, you go and solve at home. No, who is watching they are solving
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Who is watching? Nobody is watching, right?
Even they don't know, they will copy also. They have
Yeah, they will
more
copy. There is,
chances.
so this doesn't make any sense. Only
Yes.
those who are good in studies, they will do it. Others
Yes,
will
sir.
not do it.
Yes, sir.
So we make sure our children do it here itself.
Here. It's
Under
a good
supervision of the teachers,
Yes.
right? They have to solve all those MCQs, and whatever they're not able to solve, the teachers are there to help on spot. है ना? तो on same place your doubts are also cleared.
Cleared, and they will learn more and more.
Yeah. And then the best part of it is at 3 o'clock you will have a test every day.
Every day test, sir. Oh my God.
That's the best part. At 3 o'clock, whatever you learned today in DPP session, so let us check really you learned it or not. Right? Are you really learning in the DPP session, or you are wasting your time, right?
Yes.
And even you should know, now whatever I had done,
Yes.
did I learn it or not? So based on the DPP session, we conduct a half an hour test on the same DPP.
Here itself only you know who
Yeah.
is studying, who
Correct.
are not studying.
And the student becomes very serious also, because they know that, you know, after this session I had to give a test, right?
Yes.
So I had to perform good in test, that's why I should do these questions properly. So this will make them solve the questions attentively. This increases the attention power of the questions.
Okay.
That is again a psychology,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So as I said, everything what we do is based on a scientific research
Okay.
of how today's generation works. We have to make them do, है ना? Then the test is also online test, not offline test. Since it is online test, as is in our app, as you complete a test, submit it, you get a score.
Score.
You get a score, you get analysis, everything. There is no need to wait after 1 week, you will get the result.
Yes.
It's on spot, you get
Then
the
student also
result.
knows about herself, and
Yeah.
teachers also knows what
Yes.
they are teaching and how student is working.
correct. You can also see there in your app, when you give the test and submit it, you get top 10 students of the class. It shows about the scoreboard.
Merit list.
It shows it to you. These are top 10. You can see that I am in top 10 or not.
Yes.
And what the topper has got the score. You can know, right? What is the
Competition
comparative?
little
It's a
bit
competition,
different.
right? You should know what is
Good.
my status in the class.
Yes.
So all those analyses are given in the app itself. You can see there. And then what are questions you could not solve in the test? That also you can ask doubts to teachers.
Okay.
So we have a doubt corners where throughout the day, या फिर whatever you study at home, you get a doubts. To solve those doubts also on daily basis, we keep a doubt corners.
Okay, sir.
There is specific time for that also after 3:30,
Okay.
where teachers will be available. Whoever has a doubts what they have solved yesterday and the questions which you could not do in the examination, these doubts will be solved same day.
Sir, actually I have one doubt.
Yes, madam.
Here in this academy, you have so many students, so many toppers, and so many rank holders. Then how you must give care in my daughter's career?
Basically, you are asking कि मतलब whether we can give a personalized attention
Yes,
to
yes,
your kid
sir.
or not.
Actually,
right?
I want to ask
है
that
ना?
only, sir.
Because sir, so many students are there.
sir.
How can you focus on every child?
Yeah, actually you have 5 branches also, so many
Right,
students. Now while I am coming also, I saw so many students entering in the classes.
Correct.
So much.
That's a wonderful question you asked, madam. The same reason, of course, if I had to focus on everyone, it is not possible for me because we have a limitation of time. So what we are doing it is we have kept a mentor system.
Okay.
A mentor system. We have special mentors apart from the teachers
Okay.
who will focus on the children's growth. Every mentor has 20 to 25 students under them.
Okay.
And the purpose of mentor is the mentor is supposed to give the result of these 20 students.
Okay.
what mentor will do, say for example, you are what? Sharanya. Say Sharanya is studying, but she is not getting so much of mathematics. Say for example, she is getting depression. Arey, maths is not happening. What to do now? So most often even parents cannot help them, because even if their parents are educated, there is a lot of difference in the education at that time
And this.
and education
Yes, sir.
at this time, right?
You are true.
Generation gap.
Yes, sir.
So even if you want to help them, you cannot help much. So and if you go to teachers, most often teachers can clear the doubts,
Okay.
subject doubts, but the mentoring and counseling requires a different skill,
Different skills.
right?
Yes.
They are different people. Counselors are different and teachers are different.
Okay.
Teachers are only for the doubt solving,
Okay.
right? So we have kept a special counselors, mentors for this purpose. Like Sharanya will have one counselor,
Okay.
right? Whenever she faces any problem, the counselor is with her.
Okay.
He will tell her how to handle this stress. And if you have maths is getting weak, then what to do?
What to-
How you can make it strong?
Solution.
If your scores are coming down, how to get it up? And he will give a strategy. He will sit with you one on one. Like I am sitting with you now. So Sharanya is there, you are there. He will sit, he will check the scores, analysis he will do, and then he will give you strategy. Is that good or very, very good?
Very, very good. sir.
Very, very good. So he will give you strategy, right? They will give you wonderful strategy to grow, and he will also give you targets. So this month, Sharanya, you are here, like you are getting 100 out of 300. Next month, I want 150 from you.
Okay.
And how to get 150? That also he will give you.
Okay.
See, most people tell what to do.
Huh.
They
It is
don't
more
do
easy.
how to do.
Yes. Yes.
I know. But our counselors will tell you what to do as well as
Each
how to
and
do.
everything.
How to get 150?
Yes, sir.
Somebody will tell you get 150. You go there. How to get 150? What should I do for it? That I don't know. Counselor will tell you. So I personally guide all the counselors,
Okay.
to how to train the children.
Children.
So they will be taking care of each and every kid. You know, when one counselor has 20 to 25 students in them, they can easily focus, right?
Okay.
And their purpose is only to counsel. And whole day they will keep thinking about Sharanya and 20 students under them, how this child can be improved. That is their only job. There is no other job for them. They are pure counselors and mentors to guide the children and get their best scores, and also make sure no children is overstressed, overburdened. Nobody should have the inferiority complexity, superiority complexity, depression kind of things and commit suicides.
That
Like
is
the quota is
important thing in these days.
right. Nowadays you see many news in the quota
Yeah,
students
we
are
reading in
committing
newspapers.
suicides in
Yes.
Pune, Mumbai kind of thing. We don't want that kind of things here. We want our children to be very, very happy
Yes.
and also get good scores.
Yes.
So for that we have taken this step of having special counseling, mentoring system which will take care that every student is taken care. Does that answer your question, madam?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you take any special care for rank holders? Or every student is equal?
That's a tricky question. Yes, I understand why you ask this question, because all the institutes of India, they have a special batches for the top rankers. So they only focus on them because they only get results, and others are not going to give anyhow results, so nobody focuses on those people, right? Don't worry, madam, because the purpose of starting Sri Sandipani Academy was, why did we start in this rural area? I could have started in Pune also, Mumbai also, right?
Yes.
Where I could have got more money, more responses,
students,
more students, everything.
Yes, yes.
When nothing was there in in Ahmednagar, that time we started for JEE in
Sandipani.
Ahmednagar, where nothing was there, rural area. The purpose was that we wanted to give results to these average, below average students also, along with the toppers. We want to focus on everybody.
Okay.
And that is the reason this mentor system also is there. And certainly we will focus on those good students also, because they will give IITs. Say for example, I have 20 students in the class, udharan ke liye. 20 students, I see that 5 students are excellent, the grasping were very good, so I will prepare them for the IITs,
Okay.
because they can crack IIT.
Yes.
Now what about the rest 15 students who cannot crack IIT, because everybody cannot crack IIT, right?
Yes.
That is a fact.
Yes.
At the end of the day, that is the fact. Now we focus also on those 15. We see that okay, these 6 students cannot crack IIT, but Can they crack NITs? Oh, they can crack it. Let's prepare those 6 students for the NITs. Okay, these 4 students cannot crack JEE Mains, JEE Advanced also. But can they crack BITSAT? Oh, let us prepare them for the BITSAT, for BITS Pilani, BITS Goa. Oh, these students cannot even crack BITSAT. They are very poor and they're struggling hard, they're not getting so much. No problem. Can you prepare them for MSCET? Can you prepare them for VIT EEE? Can we prepare them for LPU NEST? There are many examinations. We see that what the student can do. What he cannot do is okay. But what is important is what he can do, what she can do. And let us prepare children for that sake. So we have a systems even for like this for all these children. We have special people who think about these children with the help of mentors only. There are mentors at one place and who make the strategies and they know about each and every children, and there are people on the top in organization who will look into all these different examinations and what these children can prepare for, and accordingly they prepare strategy for each children sitting with their parent. They will tell them this is what your child can do and let's prepare. At the end of the day, what is that after 2 years na, they say in Hindi, na gar ka na ghat ka nahi hona chahiye.
Yes, sir.
After investing so much of money,
So
है
much
ना,
of time.
so much of time, energy, कुछ भी नहीं मिला. JEE तो हुआ नहीं. Nothing happened to JEE, and even boards could not be focused so much, and we are left with zero, nothing. Then you join some BSc BA. We don't want a children to be like that. That's again a special feature of Sandipani Academy, where every student is taken care that they get selection in some college.
Okay.
According to their caliber, we get them admission. Right?
Till end you will get.
Till end we are there. Once you take admission in Sandipani, they are our children.
Yes.
It's not just your children, it's like our children, right? So we focus so much on our children. That is our speciality of Shri Sandipani, and that's the reason we have given the name of a Sandipani Rishi to the academy. That was Sandipani Rishi is a guru or the spiritual master of Krishna and Balaram. We did not start the academy on my name,
Yes.
my father's name, surname, no. We started based on the academy of Shri Sandipani, right? So that we can create disciples like Krishna Balaram, the best children, the leaders of society, and we will have to have good gurus who will focus genuinely on children and look into the overall development of the children.
Sir, how exams was conducted? How the exam system was held in this institute, sir?
Correct. So just as I mentioned in the last session, we have everyday test which is called as mini test, and these tests are based on some specific topic of a specific subject. Only 30 minutes test.
Okay.
This is mini test. Second type of test is called as major test, which is conducted bi-weekly.
Weekly.
That means bi-weekly is once in 15 days.
Okay.
So 1 week, one exam, major test will be having JEE Mains pattern, and then you will have JEE Advanced pattern. Then JEE Mains pattern, JEE Advanced pattern. This kind of alternate exams will be going on for you. This is called major test. And there is something called cumulative examination, third examination. Cumulative exam is like, in the major test what will happen, you will have like, one chapter of physics, one chapter of chemistry, one chapter of mathematics combined. Test of this is major test. But in cumulative examination will conducted once in 3 months like that, in which you will be having like, more number of chapters. 6 chapters of chemistry, 7 chapters of physics. Well, whatever is done in the last 3 months, you will have everything, such that you have to revise those chapters again and again. Otherwise what will happen, because every time you have new chapters coming up, you will forget the previous chapters, right? So you should not forget the previous chapters. For that sake, we keep cumulative exams also in a frequency almost 3 months like that. So you get to know even other chapters you will study, you have to revise what you have in test, right? And the last type of examination is AITS, All India Test Series. Because now you are in one institute studying over here, where say for example some 1,000 students are studying here. So among these 1,000 students, you are getting some rank. So Sharanya is getting the top 10 she is in. She is 9th rank in the class. She thinks I am in top 10. But Sharanya is not supposed to top the Sandipani Academy only. She is supposed to top in all over India. So what is her position in India? To know that, we conduct a AITS test. Now in AITS what happens, more than 100 plus institutes participate from all over the India for the common paper. So you have like thousands or lakhs of students sitting over there. So you get all India rank. You come to know in India where is my position.
Where is our position?
So when you come to know before itself, before JEE,
Okay.
then you can prepare accordingly, na?
Yes.
Otherwise, you are confident that I am getting good score in my class, so in JEE also I'll get good score.
Yes.
You're in ignorance.
Huh.
But if you know before itself what is my position in India, we can put an effort accordingly, and we are better prepared for the JEE examination.
They will aware.
Yeah. One thing is student is aware. Second is even teachers are aware. Where is our students in India? So they can also put effort accordingly. Even the organization can take an action accordingly. Our children are in this place, so we have to put more effort. There is a competition from beginning itself, right? So after your syllabus is complete, then we conduct AITS. We don't conduct from beginning. First you have this major test, cumulative examination. Once in September your syllabus is over, then we start conducting All India test series, because everywhere syllabus will be over. Then we conduct full portion test of the JEE, and part test also we conduct, and all these things. So that is the 4 kinds of tests we conduct.
Means that always test series will
Test will be
continuous.
keep going on. It's like almost everyday test.
Yes.
Enjoy. So Sharanya, you have any question to ask?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you said that weekly there will be JEE mains pattern, and bi-weekly there will be JEE advanced pattern, and then after that there will be boards. So how will I manage all of them together?
Basically, you're asking how to balance boards and
Yes.
JEE, right? See, first thing is that most people think that boards are different and JEE is different. So let me clarify you, it is not like that. Because if we check the syllabus, whatever is the board syllabus, it is same syllabus for MSCET, it is same syllabus for all other competitive examination as well as JEE also. The syllabus is not different.
Different.
Only difference is the depth. The depth of JEE is more as compared to board. So our teachers here who are very experts, they teach from the basic fundamentals, as I talked to you before also. They talk from the basics. So when they go from the basics, say for example, board covers the syllabus of A, B, C, D. If you study A, B, C, D, it is boards. E, F, G, H is MSCET. H, I, J, K is BITSAT, VIT and all. And up to Z is JEE. So we begin from A, B, C, D. When a teacher will teach A, B, C, D, boards are over. When they go E, F, G, H, CET is, VIT is over. Then they teach up to Z. They go from basic fundamental till the top level of content. So in the class itself, everything will be covered. Don't worry about it, right? And for the board exam, subjective examination, see, we have a college tie-up, right? The college conducts your exams, unit test, mid test. All these exams are conducted by the college itself. So in that way, you will have a practice of subjective test also with the college throughout these 2 years. And apart from that, we also conduct test at the end. Before the board examination, the full portion prelims, one thing college also conducts, because we have a relation with college. They conduct all the tests systematically. Apart from that, even we conduct the examination for you, board pattern test. And till date, like last so many years, we have not seen any kind of problem with children. Our children, apart from topping in JEE, they also top in the boards.
Okay.
They also, wherever they college they do, so they get best marks, above 90%, above 85%. They excel in the boards as well. If you excel in JEE, you can excel also in boards. So it's very simple funda. Say, I am everyday lifting 50 kilos of weight. Weight lifting, you do that gym and all. And you are doing everyday 100 kilos of weight lifting. Now boards are like 50 kilo. JEE is like 100 kilo. Now one who is able to lift 100 kg weight, can he lift 50 kg weight?
They will automatically.
Isn't it? But a 50 kg weight lifter, can he lift 100 kg weight?
No, it will take time.
So when you prepare for JEE, automatically it is taken care, others are prepared. Okay? Anything else?
Sir, till 10th standard I was a CBSE student. I was studying in CBSE school. So now in 11th and 12th, in which college should I join? CBSE or state board?
See, it doesn't matter so much. If you want to join CBSE, you can join CBSE also. As such, see, JEE and NEET these exams are based on NCERT pattern only. But what I have seen the syllabus, you can also check it up. The syllabus is that now even the state board has brought the same syllabus as NCERT, understanding that there is only one common entrance exam all over the India for NITs, IITs. You cannot go to NITs, IITs through MSCET, right? You have to go through JEE only.
Yes.
So even the state government understands this, and last few years they have updated the syllabus of state board also as per NCERT.
Okay.
So in that way, syllabus point of view, it doesn't matter at all whether you study in CBSE or state board, right? Both is okay. But then you have to see that, you know, now in case of CBSE, there are so many formalities are
Yes.
there. You have to submit this, you have to submit journals, you have to submit projects and so many things. So when you want to prepare for the competitive examinations, you need more time to prepare. And I think, you know, from that point of view, state board is a bit better because the formalities are less over there. So because of which you get more time to prepare for the JEE. You know? But even if you go for CBSE, it doesn't matter so much. That's your choice. It doesn't matter. Okay? There is one more thing which I will tell you. I said we make the overall development of the child, in which you have seen. Let me summarize the things. Apart from the best academics with the best faculty, our faculties are IITians, NITians, and postgraduates who are teaching over here. They're the best faculties what we have in Sandipani Academy. We have the best results, as you have seen already. You are going through all the brochures and all, the best results over here. Then we also have yoga system, meditation, which develops their PQ, EQ and all these things. Apart from that, we also have the best doubt solving system where students' doubts are cleared instantly on the same day, you know. Then we have a mentor system in which every student is taken care, you know, understand their psychology, given strategies are given. Now apart from all these things, and then we have test also, AITS, very special, you know. AITS in Nagar is almost like an impossible task for people to conduct, so many institutes. And the last part of it is value education. We also give value education to children to fight against the distractions of this world.
That
You see
is more
nowadays,
important in these days.
yeah, a lot of too much in media and other things, distractions, and youth may a lot of distractions, right? This is the age.
Yes, sir.
This is the age, either you can make your life the best, and this is the age you can make your life the worst,
Yes, true, sir.
right? This is a junction point now.
Yes, sir.
So apart from good academics and all these things, we believe we should also give them best character, such that we can, secret is, we don't want to create the engineers. Instead of building the nation, they will do kamchori in cement and other things. Their bridges break, and we don't want to create such kind of engineers, the corrupted engineers to say. We want to create the leaders and engineers who can build the nation, build a strong nation. We don't want to create children, right, who are addicted to all kinds of bad habits, who don't know how to respect their own parents, who don't know, you know, how to take care of the elders and all that. Nowadays, this is a very common thing, right? So apart from studies, we also want to make sure our children become the best in their life also. They are best human beings. And that is something very, very important, we believe. So we give a value education classes every week. There is one session for value education in which we take the principles from Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, Mahabharata, Ramayana and all these things. And these principles are systematically presented to children to give them good values and sanskaras, such that they will know what is right and what is wrong. When they have discrimination power, they always will choose the right. And this way they will have the strength to fight against all the distractions of life and become a great human being along with the great competence. Right? The competence and character, both.
And this help to enter in a big world.
Yeah, for success. So this is what is Sandipani Academy all about, and I hope all doubts are cleared.
Yes, sir.
Right.
We are so satisfied, sir. You cleared my doubts in a very nice manner, and you gave so much of your valuable time for us, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, so you met Balraju sir, right?
Yes, sir.
How was that session?
Sir, actually, I am telling frankly, I enjoyed your information also, because you gave so much information. Before that, I don't know anything about that foundation and that 11, 12
Right.
and bridge courses and all, etc.
Yes, yes.
But today itself, now only I decided to join Sandipani Academy itself only.
Okay, good,
And
wonderful.
if you give an admission
Yes,
for my
sure.
daughter.
Yes, 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 yes. So first of all, you have got all your doubts cleared and everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.